Hello everyone. Today, we're starting a brand new Svelte 5 course for complete beginners. Whether you're a complete newbie to web development or an experienced developer looking to explore something fresh, this course is tailored just for you. In this course, we're going to explore Svelte, the revolutionary framework that's changing the way we build modern web applications. From understanding the basics to mastering advanced concepts, you'll learn everything step by step. By the end of this course, you'll not only be comfortable building apps with Svelte but also confident enough to create real-world projects. So, grab your coffee, sit back, and let's dive into the world of Svelte. Let's start with the basics. What is Svelte, and why has it gained so much popularity in the web development world? Svelte is a modern front-end JavaScript framework for building user interfaces. Unlike traditional frameworks like React, Angular, or Vue, Svelte takes a unique approach. It compiles your code into highly efficient, standalone JavaScript during the build step. This means your app runs faster because there's no heavy framework running in the browser. Think of Svelte as a powerful tool that does all the heavy lifting during development, so your users get the fastest experience possible. You might be wondering, how does Svelte compare to other popular frameworks like React, Vue, or Angular? Let's break it down. The biggest difference is that Svelte doesn't rely on a virtual DOM. Instead, it updates the DOM directly, which makes it faster and more efficient. Now, let's take a closer look at some key features and benefits of Svelte. First, reactivity. State management is intuitive and built-in, with no need for external libraries. Second, lightweight. Svelte apps are smaller in size, leading to faster load times. Third, ease of learning. Svelte uses simple JavaScript, HTML, and CSS. If you know these, you're ready to get started. Fourth, scalable. Despite being simple, Svelte is powerful enough for complex applications. These features make Svelte not just a framework, but a joy to work with. With the release of Svelte 5, there are some exciting new updates that make it even better. Here's a quick overview. First, runes. A new way to handle reactivity that simplifies your code. Second, improved performance, faster compilation and smaller bundle sizes. Third, better developer experience, enhanced tooling and debugging features. Fourth, expanded ecosystem, seamless integration with SvelteKit for full-stack applications. These updates make Svelte one of the most innovative frameworks available today. In this video, we covered what Svelte is, how it compares to other frameworks, its key benefits, and what's new in Svelte. In the next video, we'll set up your environment and create your first Svelte project.